Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 420D M Sport 2-door coupe presented in Alpine White. The vehicle, as you can see, features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, as well as a brand new set of the 20-inch CS style alloy wheels in frozen grey. At the front of the car you will see it's a facelift model, as you can tell by the very aggressive looking facelift LED headlights. Down the side you can see just how clean and tidy this vehicle is, as well as that very nice Alpine White. It does work extremely well with the additions ourselves have made. As you can see, we've gone for the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. We've also got the BMW sun protection glazing on this vehicle. Inside the car we've got a very special oyster with black Dakota leather on this vehicle, which does of course come with the electric lumbar and heated seat options. It also comes with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and in the back of the vehicle there is of course also an Isofix ready rear bench with the central storage tray and armrest, as you can see there, and of course not forgetting to show you the darkened M Sport headlining. Round towards the back of the vehicle, again showing you off those wonderful brand new 20-inch alloys, which really do suit the 4 Series extremely well. At the back we've of course also gone for the darkened rear spoiler and the same for the rear diffuser, and those wonderful facelift rear lights. Boot space for the 4 Series, you do get a very big boot space in there, as well as split folding seats. Round at the driver's side, once again everything is exceptionally clean and tidy on this vehicle, and again you can see for yourselves how well the Alpine White works with those additions we've made. And we'll now go ahead, take a seat inside the car, and I'll quickly just run you through a couple of this vehicle's major talking points and features inside the car, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. So as you can see, currently open on that wide screen is the DAB list. However, there is also a wide array of multimedia inputs. Moving over to the sat nav, which is of course always going to be of benefit having that larger screen. It also utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Back at the main menu we do also have the Connected Drive Plus, which gives you access to both the online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. There is also Bluetooth telephone and audio for this vehicle. Down here you'll see the dual climate controls along with the switches for the front heated seats. In terms of its overall mileage, it's covered just over 39,000 miles. Comes with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on this lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And if we go through into the vehicle's service screen, you can see there that it is coming up for its engine oil service, which we shall be carrying out shortly, and there is one service on there as well from BMW. However, as I've mentioned, we shall shortly be carrying out a service on this car. So thank you all very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you found it useful. If you would like some more information on this vehicle, all you have to do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, that'll take you through to the website, and you can of course view all of the prices and funding options, along with quite a bit more information for yourselves. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Thank you. Bye bye.